Hi, this is Fayn Global. We're excited to introduce a digital marketing course designed for students. Some of the most popular channels for effective social media marketing. Social media marketing basics. First, what is social media marketing and why is it important? Second, the role of design in social media marketing. Third, social media landscape. Fourth, social media marketing use cases and benefits. Fifth, what does good look like? Sixth, do's and don'ts additional resources. What is social media marketing? The use of social networks, content sharing apps, messaging platforms, blogs, and forums to connect with and enable meaningful conversations about your brand, product, or service to ultimately drive your business objective. What is the role of design in social media marketing? In social media marketing, design plays a vital role in capturing attention, communicating messages effectively, and creating a memorable brand presence. A well-crafted design enhances the visual appeal of your posts, aligns with your brand identity, and engages your audience, making them more likely to interact with your content. From eye-catching graphics to cohesive layouts, strong design ensures your message stands out in the fast-paced world of social media. Sample of flyer designs here. Why is social important? 2x customers are twice as likely to share a negative experience with a business than a positive one. 90% will look at online reviews before making a purchase. 74% trust suggestions from friends on social media. 67% of people will spend money after getting recommendations from their friends online. What is the social media marketing landscape? The social media landscape is large, complex, and cluttered with competing platforms, but the most heavily utilized for marketing are the big four. These four platforms are the key players of social media. 1. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp Messenger. 2. YouTube. 3. X, Twitter. 4. LinkedIn. And then different channels are used for different purposes. First, social networks. Relationship networks help brands and people connect to share information and ideas. With a large regular user base, they are a must-have and the mass market approach to social marketing. Uses for customer care, education, daily comms, breaking news. Second, media content sharing networks. Find and share media online, including photos, video, and live video or other curated content. Use for brand awareness, lead generation, audience engagement, targeted advertising, and influencer marketing. Third, messaging chat apps. Most widely used apps that enable messaging, video, and voice calls. Businesses can conduct e-commerce conversations via live agents or chatbots. Use for customer care, conversational commerce, payments, and status updates to replace SMS. What is the benefits of social? What social media marketing can do for you? First, strengthen your brand reputation. Second, grow your business. Third, care for your customers. Strengthen your brand reputation. First, know act on what is being said about you. Times things escalate quickly on social. By listening to key phrases that relate to your brand or activity, you can be the first to know when a new story breaks and react accordingly. Then, social insights also give you an unbiased view of your brand awareness and popularity. Identify most of the trends. Trends appear on social media first. Social can make or break a product. Listening to industry thought leadership supports your research and innovation. Stay ahead of the competition. Your competitors are on social. Analyzing their social presence delivers unique insight into their plans and achievements. Regular benchmarking of your competitors on social helps you keep up with them, grow your business, amplify owned content. Social enables you to publish targeted content to channels that could be seen by large volumes of users. The power of influencer marketing provides a human voice to your product. Generate earned media. Customers are 56% more likely to buy a product or service after seeing a positive customer-generated post about it. By reposting user-generated content on your own channels, you increase the trust in your brand and products, deliver incremental sales. Advertising on social media is cheaper than traditional media, such as TV ads, but with a massive reach. The main difference is that you will be able to target finally who sees what advert, increasing your conversion while keeping costs down. Care for your customers, create experiences. Social is more than just advertising, it's an educational, emotional, and experiential way to engage your customers. Customers no longer want to phone when immediate answer and turn to social. Reduce the cost to serve. With customized chatbots and the use of artificial intelligence on the rise in app messaging in becoming the norm for customer care. Technology solutions enabled improved customer service through social. Build a community. Times customers trust each other more than you. Providing them with a platform where they can interact and share loyalty to your brand, coaches, or venues. How to win with social media and what does good look like? A great social media strategy includes the following pillars: emotional content, build rapport with your customers. Forget transactional posts and focus on posting content that showcases how you will make a difference in your customer's life. Consistency. Your content should match your brand identity and objectives and be consistent across channels. Regular or well-timed posts, just like any other channel. There is a better time to post content, and that varies depending on the network and audience. Keep your customers interested by posting often and sharing varied content. Two-way engagement. Social is about more than just pushing out content. Allow your customers to interact with you and make sure you respond to create a differentiated experience. Optimization. Test, learn, adjust, repeat. Iteration is key to success, and social is no different. Plan for A/B testing and track the success of individual campaigns and performance across platforms. Personalization. Use social insights to know who your customers are and adapt your messaging, including graphics and tone of voice to target the right customers with the right message at the right time. Strategic use of channels. Not all channels will be relevant to your brand. Whilst a presence on the Big Four is a must, focusing your budget and efforts on the channels where your customers are the most active will deliver better value for money. Overall strategy alignment. Driving revenue and engagement from social does require investment. Incorporate social as its channel into your overall strategy, budget, and resources. The last one of what do's and don'ts. Do. Have a social media presence. Today's consumers expect to be able to pick the right social platforms that best align with your brand, audience, and your marketing goals, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. Take advantage of the free resources and training available to you, including my tennis toolkit, Facebook blueprint, and Google marketing platform. Follow your competitors. See what others are doing well, and find out how you can differentiate yourself and appeal to those audiences. Get creative. Use social media to find influencers or other unique ways to connect and engage with your audience. Do not forget to publish content regularly. By maintaining your presence, you'll stay top of mind with members when they are looking for a coach or venue. Do not be afraid to launch a social media marketing campaign. You can start small and build and refine it as you go. Summary key points. Choose the right social media platforms based on your audience and create engaging, consistent content that reflects your brand. Actively interact with followers to build connections and boost engagement. Use analytics to track performance and refine strategies for better results.